So I found potential buyers for one Dubai listing without cold calling a single person. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact system from the property to a tool I built to analyze the deal to finding the right buyers with AI.
Right, and for this session and for this example, I'm opening a website called as Property Finder a Dubai. So let's see what we find here. So when we scroll to the website, I have chosen this property, which is 1.2 million dirhams, a one bedroom apartment in JVT here. So as we scroll, it's called Maya 5. It's completed. Okay, and here are some of the transaction for similar properties. So basically the range of the property is around 1.2 million. He's going a bit higher, so the last property which was sold was around 1.1 million, which is fine. Okay, so you get a price trend of Jumeirah Village Triangle house, the per square foot price is. So let's get on to step 2, which is we open our website called Deal Analyzer. What I've done is I've made it very simple that you just need to input the details of the property here, the purchase price, the property size, and then the expected monthly rental. Okay, so you just input it here, and for this example we are taking occupancy, just leaving it right now. Annual service charge is 15,000 dirhams, expected monthly rental or 10,000 dirhams, and let's see what are the results. Okay, so this is what we get for the property. So gross yield around 10%, net yield 6.95%. So we're going to go more deeper into it in the next session. Right now I'm just going for this example. It's very easy right now. You have a PDF which you can straight away send to your client. You don't need to manually do anything right now. And then you have these what if scenarios, so you can adjust the rentals, the interest rate, depending on your situation. And then there is an option that you can generate this PDF. So advanced view, what is the cap rate, how much is your gross rent multiplier, payback period, agent name. Okay, so let's generate a PDF here. I'm, for example, naming as Alfred. Okay, Maya district. Let's generate the client teaser. Okay, Maya 5 district. So this is, so you have the option that if you're going for a meeting, you can also take a printout, or if you just have to email your client, you can just take the PDF, download the PDF and send it on email. So I'll show you how we have to do it. Right, let's get to step 3, which is we open clay.com, one of my favorite sites, one of my favorite outreach tools. So for this example, I've already created a table called German HMWI, which is German high net individuals. So what we try to do is we have already shortlisted some of the founders in Germany, which are we think that can be our potential clients, and this is how Clay helps you find clients. I'm not going much deeper right now in this video about how to use Clay. This example is all about setting up the outreach process right now. So here is an example that how we have done it. We have enriched this client, and this is some of our AI icebreaker, and you can modify it as per your requirement and as per your script. So let's get into campaign. Here I've already designed a campaign. It's called a test campaign, and quickly I'm going to show you. I'm going to send a test email to myself rather than to the client. We just change this thing right now. We are catering to German high net worth individuals interested in buying a property in Dubai, attaching a sample deal of JVT Dubai. Let's connect over a Zoom call and let's see how we can take this forward. So let's generate a test email. Okay, I'm sending it to myself only. Okay, the mail has been sent. That's great. Okay, here we have the mail in our sample, which is my own email ID. Okay, this is how. So let's see how easy it is. So what we've done is we have done an outreach campaign, and it's very easy. People think it's very technical.
Next video, I'll show you how we go deep inside Clay step by step. So subscribe now. Tell me your biggest problem with outreach and I'll cover it.